This is Steve Quillian, the founder of the Historic Homes Workshops based out of Tampa, Florida. Every year, tradespeople, homeowners, contractors, do-it-yourselfers, and business owners from across America converge to share, learn, and grow together while they restore a significant historic property in the community. Every year, participants immerse themselves with historic preservation's best methods, materials, and mentors in America and leave with new relationships, skills, and knowledge to apply to their own historic buildings. I would like to personally invite you to participate in a historic preservation event unlike any other in America, where we save historic buildings and properties by being generous and building community. Help us restore history, restore the trades, and restore one another while we restore hope.